welcome you. Tune into Market Fatafata show where we get you all the actions from the market and of course all the stocks that are buzzing in trade on the back of news flow or on the back of technical analysis. But today we'll first have the new kid on the block that's listed today, and that's GSP Crop that has listed today. And let's talk about their IPO and get the management on board also to find out exactly what is the growth roadmap ahead. Now remember, they have had a rather lackluster debut. They have listed at a 4% premium over the IPO issue price, and on the back of that we now also have the management who is going to weigh in on the roadmap ahead. Bhavesh Shah, who's the CMD, and Sahil Shah, who's the CFO of GSP Crop Science, is now joining us. Hi, good afternoon to both of you, and thank you so much. Firstly, congratulations to the both of you on the listing. Well, tell us, now that you are a listed company, you can share some forward-looking guidance as well. So revenue growth you're envisioning over the next 4 to 5 year period, what is that going to be? Could you give us a guidance over there?
As we have been growing in the past, since last 3 years, if you could see the rate of growth that we have been delivering, we are sure to carry forward that kind of momentum going forward also. And we wish that, with being now a listed entity, now we will be much more propelled to increase this growth rate further over the upcoming 4 to 5 years.
And has there been any impact of West Asia conflict on your operations? Is availability of raw material a concern for you?
No, there is, basically it is delaying by 15, 20 days. But as a strategy, we are keeping minimum 45 days inventory. So we are not facing any problem.
And well, the company sells its products both in the domestic and the international market. So how is the demand environment for both domestic and international market in these volatile times?
See, basically current demand is good, and as a growing company in all vertical, domestic, B2B, B2C, and export, we are getting good orders and a good potential and even good future for us.
All right, and since we're talking about your international sales, what is your domestic versus export sales mix looking like right now? And how is this expected to change going forward? Are you looking to increase your sales to the international market?
So currently, our 80% business is domestic, which is split into two verticals, which is the B2C domestic and the B2B domestic. 20% is exports. We expect that in the upcoming 3 years, this ratio will broadly be the same. 5-7% would shift based on the business scenario. But overall, this will be the broad strategy for the upcoming 3 years. There will be growth in all these three segments.
And well, the company's international business is spread across 37 countries. Are you really looking to expand your international presence? Talk to us about your international expansion footprint.
Yes, so we are in the process of doing registrations in the existing geographies that are there by in adding more portfolio in our basket in those geographies, going deeper in the market, and also we are exploring other markets or geographies wherein we want to penetrate with the portfolio that we have.
We believe you are also looking to optimize your manufacturing capabilities through backward integration and operational efficiencies. What is the strategy here, and what is the roadmap looking like for backward integration?
See, basically, last year we have started our one company called GSP Intermediate, and where we are already started a few intermediate also. And in medium to long term, we want to cut down our dependency on China and to be a strong in the product, and also we are making from basic raw material, so we can export these all products to entire world.
Also, does increasing the formulations share improve your pricing power and value addition in the long term?
Yes, it does. So this shift in the product mix from formulations, from technicals to formulations, is a designed strategy that we have. We want to increase our footprints in the formulation business, where there is more value addition, there is more product differentiation. So we expect this to be on a higher side going forward also.
And what is the strategic vision that the company is working with? And now that you're a listed company, I believe you can share some guidance and the vision that you're working with.
Overall, as a strategy, definitely we have three vertical: B2B domestic, B2C domestic, and export. It will continue, and in all three verticals, we have a very good scope, and there is no any saturations in near 5 to 7 years. So it will continue, and our main focus is to bring many patented product. We have already 12 patented product and already launched, and we are coming with every year many products, and overall we have more than 100 patent in our basket. So definitely our main focus will be patented product and new technical.
Right. Also, what will be the revenue and the margin guidance for FY27 and FY28? What will be the growth drivers as well?
So the key drivers will be, as Bhavish just said, the focus is on developing and scaling our patented products, patented combinations that we've already launched. So these patented products that are already launched, coupled with the new launches that we will be having in the upcoming years, will be the key growth drivers for us. With this increase in the contribution of patented products in our overall portfolio, the margin profile will also improve. So as you can see, in the last couple of years, the margin profile has considerably improved with the increase in the contribution of these patented products. Similar expansion of margin can be expected in the upcoming years also.
Right. So that's as far as guidance is concerned for FY27 and 28. Gentlemen, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us understand what the outlook is going forward. And congratulations once again on your listing. What